Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So glad you guys could make it, and we are just going to get started. Now before us we have the wig we're going to be dyeing today. It's this really cute bob 613 wig, and I'm just showing y'all how good I plucked this hairline, because this hairline was looking literally like garbage. Like, I didn't even think I would be able to wear this wig, and I didn't even think I had it in me to pluck the hairline as good as I did. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to, display to you guys how good of a job I did. And I'm also going to be linking where I got the hair from in the description box. This hair was super inexpensive, and I really think everyone should tap in. Now for our tools, the first thing that we are having here is our it's like a basin for like plates and stuff, but I got it from Walmart, super inexpensive. And this is the dye that we're using today. I decided to use ADORN dye because I feel like that's like the easiest application. Like, you don't have to mix anything with anything. You just put it in there and it, does what it's supposed to do. And the color I picked up was Royal Navy, because that's the look that I'm going for, like a midnight blue kind of situation. So I previously boiled some hot water, and I'm so mad that I was told after I boiled hot water that I didn't need to boil hot water. I didn't know the water didn't have to be hot, if that makes sense. But anyway, so I'm pouring it in the bowl, and it was really hot. Like, I was really scared that it was gonna like burn the plastic or something. It was like boiling hot. But anyway, so now I'm here unboxing the dye, if you would say, and I only ended up actually using 2 instead of 3. And I actually feel like, come to think of it, I literally could have gotten away with using only 1, because I mean, it was 8 inches of hair and it was not very thick hair. But anyway, I used 2, and I feel like that was like perfect.
Purchase your tracks today.
Now, for lack of a better tool, I just used the pointy side of that brush to mix it all in there. And this was actually kind of tough to do because this is actually a really short brush. So I had to do a little extra with the wrist in order to get all that color in there. But we made it work. And now it's time for us to submerge our hair. And I started off slowly because obviously I've never done this before, and you can't just jump right into anything. So I started off slowly, like putting it in there and also retracting it from the water, and just so I could get like a little feel of it. I've never done this. The water's hot, and I need to make sure my hair is okay. And notice, like, I was really holding off from putting that the transparent lace, like the lace part in there, because I was just, I don't know, I was kind of scared that the lace would pick up the color. Like, even though like I've watched videos and they said it didn't, but I was just like kind of scared still. So I just was treading lightly. But as you guys can see, like, it picked up the color almost immediately I put it in there. And my lace was intact. It wasn't dyed or anything. It still looked good. And so after I submerged the lace and pretty much all the hair was in the water at this point, I decided to leave it in there for 5 minutes. I don't really know how much of a difference this made, but just to make myself feel better, I set a timer for 5 minutes and I kind of just let it sit there and just soak the color in. And then I came back 5 minutes later to see how it was looking. And yeah, I feel like that 5 minutes kind of did something. You see, like, the color is so rich. Like, you wouldn't even think that this was blonde hair. And I was really pleased so far. And so here I'm just showing a little close-up, and our lace is still very much intact and the hair is looking pretty good. And so to wash all of that dye out, I'm taking my Aussie conditioner and shampoo, and I really didn't know what else to use. This is usually what I use on my natural hair, so I was just like, why not? And we've moved locations to the sink because we are beginning to wash the hair. And so I'm just running water along on the wig or on the hair, and as y'all can see, like, the dye is really running. But I mean, that's what comes with temporary dye. It's gonna do that every time you wash it or anytime you soak it in water. It's gonna run. But now we're putting our shampoo on, and I put on so much shampoo. I literally could not believe what I just did. Like, the shampoo was ridiculous. Like, it was so hard to wash off, and it was just lathering uncontrollably. And look at all the dye that I was washing away. Like, I was scared that it was gonna wash all the dye out, but luckily it didn't. But it was a lot of shampoo.
Purchase your tracks today.
And so now I'm just putting on my conditioner, and of course I made sure not to go too ham, but I put enough, and it really did soften up the hair a little bit to whatever damage the dye might have caused or whatever. And so I'm just, you know, rubbing all that in there, making sure it gets all in there, and then we're just gonna rinse it out with some water. And that's pretty much it, like, for the whole entire process. Like, it was a pretty quick and easy process for the most part. Like, I would totally do this again. Like, it's way better than bleaching black hair and then going through this. It's way better, way easier. Like, watercolor is it. If you've been thinking about doing it, you should totally do it. This is how the hair looked once, like, it was all wrung out and I put it on my wig head to dry. And this is how the wig came out after I was done styling it. And, you know, I was very pleased with everything. And yeah, I thank you guys so much for watching. And make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. And also, if you guys want me to do some more hair videos, just let me know and I got y'all, okay? But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next one, okay? Bye.